Okay. Yeah, Prohelika, you can go ahead now.
Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. So this is Hostinger. Basically, Hostinger is the platform where we can host our all the websites and the landing page, whatever we want. Okay, so here I am creating one website. Like here is the ad website. So I am we mostly use WordPress. Mostly not, we use WordPress for the landing page designing. So I'm going for the WordPress only. Okay. So here we need to go for the all the administration, password and mail ID and everything. So then next. So first we need to go for the blank because no need any inbuilt website. So create blank. After that, if you have a domain, so you can go for the domain name here. If you like here is one domain owned funnelmastery.net. So if you already have a domain, so you can write there the name of the domain. Okay, then after that, you need to click there and the domain um, will be added with your website. Okay. If you haven't any domain, so go for the use temporary domain. So now WordPress is installing in that temporary domain. So till then, I will explain you what is WordPress. WordPress is basically you can say a technology or a tool where we can create our landing pages through different kind of through different kind of what I say that sections and also different kind of element you can say. Okay, so using different kind of elements. So these elements are basically your section of the landing pages. Okay, and it is inbuilt. So our landing page is created. Sorry, our WordPress dashboard is already set up. Installation has been done. So we will provide basically. I will I already shown you the how we can create from the hosting to the WordPress site. Okay, so we will provide mainly which steps you want to follow. That step I am showing you. We will provide you this link. Okay, so this link and also ID password. ID, so here already logged in, that's why it is showing like that. So I am logging out. So there, this is the thing. If you go for this URL, so you will see this is the um, email ID you have to provide there. This is the first page you will get. That is email ID you have to provide there, and password you have to provide there. So we will provide you the email ID and password both. Okay. And email ID will be yours email ID, like Gautam@gomsu.com, like that, or Arvind@gomsu.com, like that. And password also we will provide. Okay. So you need to use that your email ID and password. So here, again, this is uh, new temporary website. So there is so many. This is the dashboard of WordPress. Okay. So there is so many things in the menu. So this is the dashboard. This is home. In dashboard, you can see all the details. And in home, you can your first page is index page is your home. Okay. And there is so many things, so many items in menu. So what we use most, I'm asking about that only. So we most use the pages, the plugins, and settings if needed sometimes. That's all. This three is our important element of the menu we use mostly. Okay. So for pages, you always need to create two pages. One is for your landing page, another is for your thank you page. So add new page. Cross everything. If you are going with one-to-one session, so your name of the page will be 1-to-1. Or if you need to create one webinar page, then webinar. Always go for that. Okay. If more than one, that time you will go for webinar, the name of the webinar, like webinar, like mobile, you know, like that. Okay. Or one-to-one, like same way for one-to-one. So in this case, we are going for the one-to-one. So now you need to publish. Page you always need to publish after creating the page. So you can view also the page. So want to. So this is the page view right now. So after that, you have to create another page. Go to the dashboard, add page. Now this page is for thank you. So if any separate is coming, so cross this. Thank you. If you have already one-to-one session, one-to-one, already one thank you page for your one-to-one. So after that, you have one webinar page. So that time, thank you one-to-one already done. So thank you, which is already there. Thank you. It should be like that. If you are creating another thank you page, that time if it is for webinar, so you need to mention webinar. Thank you, webinar. Or if it is for one-to-one, thank you, 1-to-1. So in this case, it is the first time, so it should be thank you. Now publish. View the page. This is the page. So again, I am going to dashboard. Right now, what we need to do, we need to install the Elementor plugin. So Elementor is one plugin. Using that, we will design or you can say develop our page. It is one kind of you can say it is provide us the what I say the elements, all the elements using which we can create our landing page. So I will show you how we can create landing page using Elementor. Elementor is basically a plugin that is helping us to create our landing page very smoothly. Like only we need to do the drag and drop kind of things. Okay. So for Elementor, we need to go for Elementor. So this is the website builder, Elementor website builder. We need to install that. The most easiest website builder in WordPress, Elementor. So you need to install that. After that, you need to active that plugin. These plugins are basically help you to create the WordPress pages more smoothly. Okay. So now you need to cross this. So now you can check here, install plugin. Here you can see Elementor. So Elementor has its pro version also. So we need to go for the pro version because we sometimes use some HTML, CSS code for our better performance with our landing page. So here you can see so many landing page we already created. So this thing is done by a specific coding, HTML, CSS coding. So that is because we use Elementor Pro plugin. In Elementor, there is no facility to go for the coding. So customized coding we can't add in Elementor, only Elementor. So we need Elementor Pro plugin to go for the customized code, HTML, CSS code. And also this buttons. Looks so nice, na? So this button also created by the Elementor Pro plugin. So we use some customized code for the Elementor in the Elementor plugin to build the website or landing page. Okay, so now I am installing the Elementor Pro. So Elementor Pro basically we need to subscribe that, but we have a GPL version. So every time whenever we need to upgrade the plugin versions, you need to inform us. We will provide us. I mean, we will provide you the new plugins. New plugins means the updated version plugin. So right now it is Elementor version is 3.229.2. Okay. So sometimes you can see the version is upgraded to 3.29.4 or 3.29.5 or 3.29.3. So that time we need to always update that plugin. So here is the option came, that is update. Okay, here will be some option will came there to update. So in case of Elementor, you can update because it is a free plugin. But in case of Elementor Pro, we can't update from the subscription. I mean, from the Elementor site itself, because we are not using the Elementor Pro subscription. We are using the Elementor Pro GPL version. So every time you need to ask me or anyone of the Funnel Mastery team for the Elementor Pro plugin whenever it need to update. Okay, and always check after 2 to 3 within 15 days to 1 month. Always check, is there any plugin is not updated. So if there is any update, check for update. If there is any update, always update it. All the plugins. You need to check that in your plugin dashboard. Okay, this is the plugin area. Here another element is installed plugin. So in this dashboard, I mean in this area, you can see all the plugins. Here you need to, any plugin you need to activate or deactivate, you can go for this there. Or if you need to update, here there will be a option that is update. Here or here, you can see whenever the update will come. Okay. So Elementor and all the free plugins we can update or we can click on update. But in case of Elementor Pro, I am repeating again, in case of Elementor Pro, don't go for update. Okay, so if we need any updated plugin, Elementor Pro plugin, just inform Funnel Mastering team. We will provide you the updated version. Clear? Okay, now I am installing manually the Elementor Pro plugin. So add plugin, you need to go for. Now upload plugin, choose the file. So this is the Elementor Pro 3.29.1. So I am opening that, and after that I am installing it. Install now. This is basically a GIF file. So now you have to active plugin. So now you can see it is activated. Okay. So plugin is activated. Now go to the page and edit option. Here you can see edit with Elementor option. So always go for this option, edit with Elementor. Because we need to build our landing page. So you came to that website builder platform, Elementor dashboard. This is the Elementor dashboard. Now we need to go to the page settings. Okay. Then inside general settings, there is a page layout. Okay. In this page layout, there always you can see the first time you can see default. So we need to create our landing page in the Elementor canvas. Okay. So in page layout, you need to select the Elementor canvas. Always go for this. First work you is go for the Elementor canvas. Fine. Then here you can see so many elements are there. So using that elements, we will design our landing pages. So here you can see one container, one grid, one heading, one image, one text editor, one video. Here you can add the video editor section, button, divider, spacer, Google Map, icon, so many things are there. In Elementor Pro, loop grid, loop carousel, there are so many elements are there. So we basically use the container grid and also heading, images, text editor, video, button. Mainly we use this. Sometimes icon, Google Map also sometimes we use. And also which we mainly use sometimes, that is HTML code. So this is for customized coding. So you need to put that here, and after that we need to place here the full code to create the customized code. Okay, this also we use. So first of all, what we want to create. So there is one section here. So here there is another section. Sorry, here one section, that is heading. Okay. After that, there is another section. So first, we are going for the heading section. So in heading section, we need a container. We just drag and drop the container. First you need to put the container. After that, you can put the heading section. Okay. First of all, you need to put the container. Inside container only, we can create our heading and other sections like that. Okay. So container is the first thing. So inside container, we need one heading. So again, go to the elements. This is the heading. So I just double click on that. So the heading is came. Okay. So here you can see the heading is in the left side. And here you can see it is in the middle. So we need to make it in the middle. So there is a content. So in case of heading edit, we need three sections. Okay. In case of heading edit, we have three sections. One is content, another is style, and the third one is advanced. In content, we can add or delete our content as per our choice. So here, add your heading text. So here I want this. So I'm copying here and pasting. Okay. So the heading is changed now. Okay. So we are seeing the heading is middle of this image. So we need to make it middle. So for that, where we need to go? We need to go to the style section. So in style section, there is a elemental alignment element. Okay. So in that we have so many options, four options basically. One is left, that will be for left alignment. One is center, that is for center alignment. One is right, that is for right alignment. And one is justified. It is justify the space according to the page. So we mostly use these three. Left, it is all by default, it is in left. If you want to make it center, so it will go to the center. If you want to make it right, it will go to the right. Got it? Now center. We'll make it center. Okay. After that, there is a element called typography. So in typography, there is so many sub-elements. These are the fonts. We mostly use the font for heading, that is railway font. Railway, this one. Okay. This font we mostly use for our font. I mean, typography font for heading. Okay. And heading size, most of the time, like 50. Most of the time it is 50. Okay. Now you can see these are the lines. There is three lines. The lines are so much, I mean, claustrophobic. It is so much, there is no space between that. Okay, it is so much claustrophobic. So that's why we need some space between these lines. So for that, we need to go for the line height. So always remember, if your font size is 50, the line height should be 55. So always it is 5 pixel gap. Always. If it is 35, the line height should be 40. If it is 45, line height should be 50. Like that. The size should be differ like that only. For if font is X, the line height should be X plus 5. Okay. Got it? So next, we want to change the color. So this is a different color. So this is because of the HTML customized code. For now, we are going for the one pinkish or a purple color. Okay. So we need to change the color for that. That is the text color. So we can provide the code, color code here, or we can adjust like that. Basically, most of the time we will provide the color code. Most of the time we will provide the color code. Sometimes if we don't provide, just ask us what is the color code. So after that, you can put whatever color code we will provide you. Like here, the color code we have used. Yeah, this one. So here the color code is not showing. So basically, RGB code is showing. So I am putting the RGB code only here. So RGBA, this code. This is the RGBA code for this. So if we provide the color code in hexa, so go for the hexa. Mostly we give you the hexa code. Sometimes if we provide the RGBA code, that time you have to provide the RGBA code here. If we provide the hexa code, you have to select this hexa and you have to put the hexa code here. Okay. So we basically provide this two. Most of the time we give the hexa code. Okay. So you need to put there. So color is changed here. And also our heading, the line height also changed. And the color, line height, and the font. Font I already mentioned. Always go for the Raleigh font. Okay. And after that, the tab view and mobile view. You have to check that also. So in tab view, it is almost okay, but some font we need to change. It is 50, na? So make it 40 for tab view. And line height, I already mentioned. Always go for the pixel. I already mentioned it should be, right now it is 40. So it should be 45. Okay. Now you have to go for the mobile view. So mobile view, it is so big. So we can make it 30. So always 10 pixel gap within this three view. If the landing page font is 50, tab font should be 40, and mobile font should be 30. Always remember that. Okay. 10 gap, 10 pixel gap. Then this is 30 and line height 35. 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 . 35 Okay, line height 35. So it looks good. So now I am publishing that. So now you can check in view page. Here is an arrow. You can check the view page here. You can view the page also. This is the landing page desktop view. If you want to go for the mobile view, go to the inspect. Then from here, you can go for the mobile view. So it is the tab view and it is the mobile view. Okay, mobile view is perfect. Tab view is perfect. And if I cross it, it is desktop view. Desktop view also perfect. So our this section is done. Okay. So here also, if you want to use and there is a specific image in the background. So for that, you need to go to the this dotted section, 6 dot, edit container. Okay, in there, if you go there, so you will not see. If you go here, you can see a pink color box type things, and inside that there is a 6 dot. You need to go to that 6 dot, and if you want to go for the background image, you need to put the background image here. So in style, there should be a background image. If you go for the specific color, you can go for the color or you can go for the image. So here I am putting one image. Just for an example, so this is the image I'm putting. So you can see the image in the background like that. Okay. So you will have to check then again the tab view, the mobile view. Is it okay? If it is okay, go ahead for the next. So right now, I just show you how you can go for the background image. Right now, this is not needed. It's not look so good. So I'm deleting. If you want to go for the background color, you can use the color here and put the color, background color here. And if you go for the gradient color, you can go for this also. Here you have to put two colors which you use for gradient. If you want to go for the video, you have to put the link of the video here and the video will play in the background. If you go for the slideshow, you can put the slides here, add all the images, 3 or 4 images, and make the slideshow. So we basically mostly go for the color or images. Okay. So now I am publishing it. The next section is this. Are you after that this sections? So to create this section, we need one container. Okay. Or if you don't go for container, that also fine. I'm deleting. You just go for this and create one flex box, direction row, this or this, take from there. The flex box you need to take here. Okay. And after that, you need to put this section. The hyphen. No need this. So here you are putting the headline again, but the headline, but this is not basically a headline. This is the subheadline. Okay. So we need to change the font. Again, it is in the middle. So I go to middle. Are you? So it is same color. This and this, I'm putting the same color. Okay. So in this case, we can do one thing. Just copy and paste the style. But here is the catch. We need to change the color is got changed. But the font right now the font is bigger like that. So here the font is small. So we need to change the font. Should be 35. Same, we need to change the line height. It should be 40. Okay. So after that, this section is done. So for this section, I am duplicating this. So make the duplicate. How many sections are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Duplicate. Duplicate. So, duplicate. Okay, I have duplicated this. Right now, what we need to do, we need to pick the color of this. And also the sections, uh, this sections corner also rounded. Need to do that. So for that now I'm going to the background. Yeah, this is the background. So don't go for the container advance, go for the headings advance. Okay, always go for the headings advance. So now the background color I need to change. So color should be this color. Now you can see the color is, background color is this. And also you need to change the font color because it is not visible right now. So we need to change the text color. I am putting it as white. So hexa code of white is so now it is white. Hash FFF is the hexa code of white. So now we need to make the corner round. For that, what we can do in background, we can go for the border. Border radius, we need to make the border radius round. Okay. So this is fine. Then go for it. And the content is this. As this is, so there you can see the left, right, and also up and down. There is some extra space here. You can see, but here is the space. Here is not so much space. We need space here. So for that, what we can do, we can put the padding. Make it 10. Okay. And right now it is center, but it is not in center maybe. So that's why I'm putting it the left. Default. So now you can check here. See, this is the same thing. Font, there is a change in font because we have taken the different font. This is the rally. So we need to put here the maximum time for heading only we put the rally font, and for others we put one one set track one one set one set trait. This is the name. I don't know. I feel I spelled something wrong. Months rate maybe. Yeah. This is the. I will send you the name. You just spell properly. So now the font size is bigger. So no need this bigger font. So there is smaller font. So we can put it like 25. Okay. So again, we need to give the proper line height, that is 30. So this is, but here you can see this is bold, not so bold. It's normal. So this is the bold, semi bold. So we need to put the weight normal. Now you can see it is perfect. So now you have the perfect one copy you have got. Right now you can delete this and you can copy this. Copy and paste. Paste here. Copy. Now already you have copied, so you need to paste inside this section. Where is there three options now? Drag wizard here. Here it is written. You need to paste there. Just paste. Again, you need to paste there. Just paste. So here, how many copies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 copies are there. So you have 5 copies. Okay. Now what you need to do only you have to put the content. Content we will you will create the the chat GPT. I already shown you. So that content you need to use here for landing page design development. So done. This section is done. After that, in same way, this section also you can put, and the heading will be this, and after that the okay, I need to I need to show you this also, how you can create this. I mean, you can see here all the content is same. I mean, here you can see all the content. There is nothing is bold, nothing is normal like that. All are the same content. If this is bold, so all the full content is bold. If this is normal, the full content is normal in this case. But here you can see some content is normal, some content is bold, like that. So how we can do that? Now I'm showing you how we can do that. So now again we need to take a content, and after that we need to put a heading. After that you need to take the content from there, and then you have to, so this is black, this is black, right? So and this is bold, right? So we need to make it normal. So for normal we need to go to the style and go to the typography. The font we need to change, that is monts. If you write the MONTS, then the font will come to the first. That font is this. And after that, the font size is smaller. So it should be 15. It's so much small. So we can put it like 20. Okay. 20 now it is semi-bold. We make it normal font. And color is black. So color black, we need to go for the color. This is the color. What is the black? Code, black. If you Google it, you get the code of black, hexa code of black, that is hash triple zero. So now the black color is came, and after that you need to change the font is changed. Right now you have to change the line height because it is so much suffocating. So 25 I have put it there, so it is fine now. So now what we need to do, the bold, all fonts are now normal, so make it bold some fonts inside this line. So for that we need to go to the content. So if you have the knowledge of HTML, so you can understand how we can do that. We can go for the span, or we can go for the bold. Like you can write B and you go for the closing bracket. This is where starting. B is starting here and B is closing there. Here. Okay. Now you can see this become bold. B for bold. So code is B angular bracket starting, then B, then angular bracket closed. The content after that angular bracket start, the B is now closed. So this is the close sign. That means the slash B it is the close sign of bold. After that, the angular bracket will be finished. Okay. So like that, we need to put for, this is for astrology. Then after that, we have to put it for numerology. After that, and the aura scanning. Put the B. This is the thing. How you can bold inside a line. This is the process. Okay. So after that, you need to put this button. So button code we will provide. Don't worry for that. And for this also, we will give you the code of HTML code of this kind of things. If you have any knowledge, you can put your knowledge also in that. If you have knowledge how to design this kind of things in HTML, CSS, you can design it too. And same for the button. If you have knowledge to design the button, so you can put the button. Otherwise, if you haven't that much knowledge, we will provide you the code. Okay. So next, this section, this is using you can create this section using the heading, and this is the big heading. You make it 25, maximum it is 30, and after that this is 20. So 5 to, yeah, max minimum uh, difference between this and this should be 5, maximum 5, and minimum 3 to 4. Okay. And this is the image. We will provide this images. Or if you want to design that, you can also design using this, showing you how you can design using the element called icon. This icon box. So here you can use the icon or any kind of image you can use. And after that, the heading, if you want to give any heading, you can give there, or else you can put only this content here. Okay. If you put any icon, you can put the icon, or if you want any image, you can put the image also there. For icon box, you can put the image. For that, you need to create another thing, that is mm, image box. Exactly. Yeah, this is the image box. This is, if you need the icon, you can put the this like icon. Like here, we use image. You can use the icons here if you want. If you want, uh, and image, if you want, you can put there the image, and heading. There is a heading, so no need heading. If we haven't needed any kind of heading, so we don't use the heading, and we will put this part here. Okay, so this is for one one section. I mean, this is for one icon, one image box. But here is four. You can see here is four image box. So how we can done that? This is for one image box. If we put like that, so we will get one image box. See, you can see this is one image box. Okay, so if we need more than one image box, so that time what we can do, we can use the grid. Grid or flexbox, both we can use. Right now I'm using the grid. So we need four grid for that. So here row is 2. So we need one row and we need 4 column. 4 column. Okay. So we just copy from here to there. We need to paste. Got it? Again, you need to paste. Again, you need to paste. Again, you need to paste. Okay. So if you want to change the size, image spacing, you can change the image spacing. So image position is here. This you can position this. Image size, right now it is 30. So you want to bigger, make it bigger. Your image, you need to make it bigger. So you can make it bigger. Border, you can put it border radius like that. You want to change the description font, make it smaller. So go to the content and make it small. Color you want to change and change the color. Color you have changed. Now go to content. So typography, you want to make it months. Size 15. It's going to be to make it and after that size 15. Line height should be 20. And the font is normal. So if you want to change the background, you can change the background to background color you want to put it purple kind of color. You can put it. Okay. And then again, if you want to change the radius, border radius, you can change. border release like that. So now it is there is we need padding because you can see there is this proper padding. Okay. So you need to change the padding inside layout. There is a padding option. Here you can see you change the padding. You want to change the color. This is black is not showing properly. So you can change the color of the content from here. You can see properly the black. So you need to change the color. This. So that looks good. Yeah, fine. So one you have already created right now. So now we can copy, paste. Sorry. Copy and you have to right now here you have to paste the style. Copy, paste. Already copied right now. It should be paste the style. Paste. It should be paste the style. Paste. If you only use the paste, na, it will be create another one. So we don't need the another one. So that's why we just paste. So like that, this part is created. Same way. In same way, you have to create this part also. And this is the image. Don't worry about that. We will provide the image. And this part also we can create. I will show you. And the FAQ part, that is also using coding we have created. So we will provide you the FAQ code also. And this part also will provide you. This is the part, this also part of sticky button. So that I will also show you. So first, right now I am showing you this part. Okay. So you can share. Let's see. I'm publishing this. So you can view this public. Now I am showing you this part, how we can create this part. This part is created again. So here you can, I have created using breed. You can also create using the flexbox. So here I have put the flexbox. Okay. So in case of flexbox, we have put it two. So two layout is provided. You can copy and paste. Scraping inside. So if you want to go for the flexbox, you can go for like that. 4. So four section, you can say column, you can say already created here. Okay. So here you can put the video. So I'm showing this one, how you can put the video. So here you have this one, you have put the video, copy, paste. So because yeah, I deleted that. So this there I paste. Here you have to paste because it is a element. So we have to paste. Here we can't use paste system. Sorry, paste style because it is not the style. It is an element. So we need to go for the paste only. Okay. So paste. Okay. And if we go to edit, so it is the link of YouTube video. If we provide you the YouTube video, you have to put it here in the link, YouTube video link you have to provide. If we provide you one video, so that time you need to go for the self-host. So in case of self-host, you need to host the video here. So you need to upload the video, select the file from here. So it will take time. So most of the time we will provide you the YouTube URL. If we haven't provided you that time, you need to we will provide you the video. You need to provide. You need to upload that video using the self host method. So it will take time. So I'm just crossing it because it will take more than half an hour sometimes. So here you can see like that, you can see the video will be provided. Actually, this video is self-hosted. Okay. So here the video corner is, you can see rounded. So if you want to round corner for the video, you need to go for the border radius 50. Okay. Publish. Basically, we use this for only for the testimonials. Okay. Now paste the style. Right now you can paste the style because it is a part of style. Paste the style. So done. It's done. So I right now I'm making it YouTube and I'm pasting the style. So testimonial video, if the video is in testimonial, so we can do like that. If we need two, so we can delete this two and two will be created, or we can go for the flexbox two structure. There is so many structure you can see. So if you go for the four structure, you can go like that. If you go for the two structure, you can go like that. If you go for the three structure, you can go like that. This is the things. Okay. So after that, I was there. So that will be done. Here we are using 2. Okay, so I put it 2. Now image element. So image box. So you have put it the image box. So image box styling is, it is in top. So we can go for the left if you want. So here you can see it is in the left. So we can go just for the left, and the alignment is in the vertical. Okay. So here the alignment is in the middle. Vertically, the alignment is middle. So we go for the middle. Okay. So like that, you can see this will be created. So here we have a heading. So here is no heading. So we just delete this headline. So like that, just put the image here. Again, same way, we need to provide the background. And the color of the content we need to change. Make it white. Image spacing, content spacing is okay. Image spacing, you can put it like that. Image border radius, so you want to change, you can change like that. Again, padding we want to change. You can change like that. And border, we want to give a border radius like that. Okay. Copy. Paste. Here you can see we have built by, if this kind of issue faced, how we can solve it. So that time go to there, go to the layout, we send the content. This is 50%. Okay, go to this content, edit content. It is 50%, and check this cases. Duplicate this. And delete this one. So right now all good to go. Fine. Now I can see this part also created. Okay. Now this part is created. And this is the image. This image we will provide you. And so how we can create like this kind of thing. So for that you can go to the first you have to put one. Here you can put the image. Okay.
Gautam or Arvind, there is some background noise. Hello.
Yeah, maybe from my side that is.
Okay.
Not
We have
me,
to.
sir.
Okay, sorry. Then we
1
have
minute.
to.
Yeah, 1 minute. Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Now it is okay.
Yeah. So that's the image. We need to put the image here. Okay. After that, the second part, when we need to put this second two part, so we need to go for this one. So here again, we need to, how you can just copy and paste, copy and paste. And you need to just change the images from there. Okay. So this is done. Next, this part. This part is so much easy. So again, we need this two portion. So one, there will be an image and there will be a content section. So in this image section, you have to put the image element. Let's delete this one. Yeah, that's fine. This is the image, and here you need to put the image, and this part you need to put the content. So for that, you need to put this text editor. Not there. Copy, paste. So here you have to put all the content like that. So you can see this. This is so much big and bold. So we need to change again the font.
Hello,
Yeah,
Prohelika. Sorry to
yeah.
interrupt you. We have only 10 minutes now because we have a 4:30 ka meeting with the client. Okay, so we can cover
Okay.
right in this 10 minute.
Yeah, it is almost done.
Then okay, okay, yeah. Please go ahead.
Fonts is 15. And this is the change. From there, you can change it. Make it small. So using code, you can also do. If you have any knowledge of code, so you can do it from there also. Otherwise, if you go for this part and here, but here you can't do, yeah, you can do like that. Okay. So as this is, it will say, as this, only need this part. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, you're done. And if you want to make it middle, so you can make it middle using this. Go to this box, select this box, and after that, you need to make it justified center, align center. Yeah, justified center. And align item center. So it's in the middle. All done. Only the FAQ section and FAQ section button and this sticky button. These three we will providing, and if there is any kind of HTML code like that, this is the HTML code. We will provide you that HTML code. Or you can also, if you have any coding knowledge, you can create this HTML code. This kind of HTML code I have. Or if you have no knowledge, you can ask ChatGPT. I want this kind of HTML code. They will provide you like that. Okay. And after that, you need to put all the changes accordingly in code. They will give you a rough code basically from ChatGPT. But if you have knowledge of coding, so you can change the coding according to the mobile view and the tab view and the desktop view. Okay. So in mobile view, it is fine. It looks fine. So just for this, you need to change the font here. So right now, you all view, you have to go to the typography and change the fonts like that. You can do. Okay. And for tab view also same. You can go to the typography and change the size and line height. So whenever you are changing size of the font, you always remember you need to change the line height too. Okay, and we always use two kind of fonts for headline. We use Raleigh font, and for other content of the page, we always use the Monsterate font. Okay, so that's all. And this code I already told you, this codes, which is the customized code we will provide you, and images also we will provide you. Fine. How to, now I am showing you how to add the template. So here, if you want to add some template, so go to there, go to this box and add some template. For that, you need to import that template, select the file. From there, you can find the template. Enable import. Okay. And now insert the template. So template is inserted. Okay. Like that, whenever I will provide you the template, the sticky button template, you will add it like that. Okay. Publish. Sometimes what happen na, whenever you are putting the template na, it go to the default view. Page settings in the default view. Okay. So that time what we need to do. Ankit, can you please mute? Yeah. After that, the page layout, go to the page layout, and if there is default, you need to put it in Elementor canvas. Then you can publish. Got it? So that's all. And thank you for your time. Hope you can understand this, how to design a landing page. If you have any question, next day you can put all the question in. We will get on Monday na, we will take a doubt clearing session. There you can ask your all questions related to anything, related to page design, related to content design, related to Facebook. Any question you have, you just ask that question. Okay. Till then, that tomorrow, if possible, if you have time, so today or tomorrow, just practice this thing, how to create the landing page. First, you just see the video, and after that, try to create one landing page yourself. Then you can understand where you are facing issue, and using that knowledge, you understand where is the main problem is there. So you can ask this kind of question to me and Ankit, anyone. We will help you. So that's all, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Prohelika. So we are winding up right now, okay, because we have some meeting. And
Okay.
whatever things is pending, we'll cover on the Monday. We will have a Q&A session on Monday. Whatever doubt you have, you can just written down. Or during the training session, whatever you have, right, we can discuss on the Monday. And one thing is pending, that is Facebook campaign, how to launch your Facebook campaign. We have set up the Facebook campaign, right? But that is pending. So we will cover in 1 hour on Monday, and 1 hour will be the doubt session or half an hour. Okay, then our training is completed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo, bye.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Prohelika. Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Gautam. Thank you, Arvind.
Thank you, all of you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.